Less than a decade ago, technology giants like Google and Facebook were celebrated for supporting the fight for free speech and civil liberties. Cut to the present, and there is a growing backlash against big tech, with concerns ranging from market monopolization to interference in democratic processes. But what is big tech? And is it different from other types of big business? The term big tech refers to a handful of large, globally significant technology companies. Each of these companies have different business models and user interactions. However, these companies share a set of common characteristics. The collection, analysis, and monetization of data is central to their business models. They have achieved immense scale quickly through network effects. This insulates them from competition, contributes to their size, and often results in market dominance. They also provide essential market and informational infrastructure for a digital economy and society. This also creates value and dependencies for other players in the market. Through their consumer-facing products that enable essential services like news, commerce, and societal interactions, they increasingly play civic roles in society. These characteristics exist in a cyclical relationship, building on and reinforcing one another. These four markers characterize big tech as data-driven, large-scale, consumer-facing technology platforms that provide essential market and information infrastructure for a digital society. The combination of these features allows them to play civic roles in society, exerting both civic power and market power. Yet, big tech is not a static category. New companies may take on the role of big tech just as existing ones may drop out of it. Big tech, in other words, is a concept rather than a fixed set of companies.